Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Windows cannot find gpedit.msc error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Means local group policy editor Windows not opening on your system. Right click on start button, choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to open run dialog box and here type gpedit.msc. This command will open local group policy editor, but you will find message Windows cannot find gpedit.msc. Make sure you type name correctly. So if you are facing such type of error, then here are the fixes. Go to Windows search and type gpedit.msc and open gpedit enabler for Windows 11 pad file. It will automatically bring you to command prompt Windows terminal, and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. It will automatically processing the code and wait till successfully completion of this batch files. So wait till 100% completion, and after that don't forget to restart your system. And after restarting your system, right click on start button, choose run and type gpedit.msc gpedit.msc, and now it will successfully open your local group policy editor in your Windows 11 or 10 home edition only, because local group policy only for